Hello YouTube team, my name is Aligul and my channel name is Balochi Music. This is my channel link. Here is my channel link. I am working on YouTube since 30 November 2016. I have uploaded more than 948 videos on my channel during this period, but unfortunately channel has been rejected from monetization or VPP program because of reused content. Now want to show you that these all videos are my own creation. Still I am not approving for monetization. Now is want to show you some of my video content in YT Studio. Here is my videos which I uploaded on my channel. These videos are originally created myself. In this videos I not use a single part of video or audio from any other creator, but it might be a mistake from YouTube team during the checking of my channel that it is considering as a reused content. Dear YouTube team, even a single part of any video in is not taken from any other original content owner. Team YouTube, now I want to show you that how I am editing my content. Now I want to show you my software and application where I edited my videos. True of audio of Murid Buledi and other Baloch singers songs which I associate with the photo singers and arrange them through different video making apps, sometimes using KineMaster, sometimes using Video Guru. This is Video Guru app, and I using this type. And I making in music, this type. This is musics, and I choose a music. This is my musics and audios. This is Murid Buledi. And this type I making videos personally. This is my videos. This is my own videos. This is the application which I am using for editing my content. I hope you will again accept my channel in YouTube partner program and enable my monetization. Thanks.